I'm really loving how it's coming out. Check this. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Forgive me for the background noise. There are a lot of kids playing in the background. I have no control over that. Anyways, to today's video, I'll be doing my hair. I've already washed my hair in here. It's still a bit damp, so this is it over here. I've washed, conditioned it, I've deep conditioned it, I've done my protein treatment and all that. Oops. My oil has just spilled on the ground. I don't know what I'll do, but anyways, right now what I want to do, I'll just apply my leave-in treatment. I'm going to use the Mikala leave-in treatment to just apply on my hair generously. Let me open it. I think it's almost finished. So and I'll be working on my hair in sections. I washed my hair in twists and I haven't unraveled them. They're still in the same twist that I washed them in, because it's a lot easier working on your hair while it's in twists. So today I'm going to be blow drying my hair. I haven't blow dried my hair in like 1 year now. So let's do this. I'm kind of skeptical, but I have to do it. So my oil has spilled, but this is what I have. It's a mixture of coconut oil. I also put rosemary and I also put moringa in here. So I'll be using this to just seal the moisture from the water and also from the leave-in conditioner. Forgive me, the lighting is becoming a little bit bad. I'm outside. I don't want to go in the house because my hair will just be all over the place. So I'd rather do it from the balcony. So that's why I'm outside and the lighting is a little bit bad. But it's all good. No worries. So guys, here is everything. I've already parted these ones away. So I'll start from this side. I'll just go in with the twist, just try unraveling it. Then, as I said earlier, I'm going to be using medium heat on my hair. I'm feeling kind of skeptical about this, but I have to do it because I've decided to do this. So yeah, this is my blow dry over here. My hands are so oily, so I think I'll be using this cloth to just, anyways, let's go. one that I have. It's well straightened. This is the hair that has come out. Not so bad, not so bad. So I'll just put it in a twist. Then I'll go to the next one, which is this. It's really going to be a long one, so that's basically what I'm going to be doing throughout the entire head. I still have a long way to go, but I'm really loving how it's coming out. Check this, check the difference. These and these straightened over here. I think I'm in love. Anyways, stay tuned and I'll see you. But yeah, let me continue doing this. I'm really loving how it's coming out. The lighting is a bit ish, but it's fine. So welcome back. It's the following day. Yesterday I finished, but my phone space didn't allow me to shoot, so I couldn't shoot further. So I only after stretching my hair, I put it in these twists, then I just held it with this scrunchie and put it here. But today I have somewhere to go, so I have to work to kind of make my hair presentable. I don't know, I don't think I should remove my hair from these twists because it will be a lot of stress for me. But just to show you how the stretch looks like, this is what I'm working with at the moment. Come here. My hair is pretty much stretched. Where is this? Look at that length. I'm in love with this. That's how it looks from the behind. That's how everything looks. So what I'm going to do, I wish I had something like a brush for the hair to just comb it out. I think I'll just leave my hair in these twists, then kind of just comb it to give it some, I don't know. Because I really dread working on my natural hair. In as much as I love my hair, I don't like working on it, like being in my hair all the time. So that's why I'm not even removing these twists. So I'm just putting everything up like in somewhat like a bun. That's what I'm trying to do. I'm just putting everything away in like a bun. I don't know if it will come out nicely. I'm not sure. Let me try. Let me just get this laying there. I think that's fine. Then this one too, I'll hold it up. I think that will do. Then I'll add I think that's fine. I'll just use this scrunchie to hold it up here. I think that will do. It's not bad. I don't know what I should put on my hair. Let's see. I have these fancy hats. I don't know which one to put. Should I do this? But I don't want to leave my hair. I think that's nice, but it doesn't go with my outfit. Isn't that cute? I'm in love. I love this. Let me bring it to the front a bit. It should be on the side actually. Front side. Yeah, that's perfect right there. That's perfect right there. I think it's okay. Or should I wear a black dress? Let me see. I'm getting so late for the event, but I think this will do. That's it. That's how my stretched hair is from the back. You can see that. That's how it looks from the back, the side, the other side. Yeah, and that's it. Pretty simple look, right? Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Kindly subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Also, do leave a sweet comment in the comment section. Let me know what you think about this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.